With Arnav and NumberNagar, we started, I think, 2 years back with NumberNagar. It was an amazing journey, and I must say, I could see an ocean of difference in my son's English. He used to go for English classes, so
And maths.
and math as well. And initially, he had trouble with his English phonetics and spellings. For the same reason, we came here and spoke to Alma ma'am. And she suggested just start off with a couple of classes and see the difference. I must say that I could see the difference. And it did come out in annual reviews also. The teachers were very happy. They did ask what's happening with Arnav, how can these changes coming up. So I really have to thank Arna ma'am for this, and he's more confident now in English. And there's a lot of creativity and curiosity which is brought into the classes. That's the most important and most different factor between NumberNagar and other classes. So this creativity and curiosity which is triggered inside a child's mind gives us gives the child an opportunity to explore a language himself, not being taught, but himself. That's the best part, I would say. Thank you.
Instead of going for monotonous classes, we would like to go for the creative classes where he can express himself rather than going at the predetermined classes. So enjoying in creativity and that fun in learning, that's how he's going to continue here. That's what brought him here, and wanted to continue also.